In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Quora. Logging out is a small step, but it's really important for keeping your account secure, especially if you're using a shared or public device. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Quora website. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to log out from. When you arrive on Quora, you should land on your home dashboard. This is the main page where you see your feed of questions, answers, and topics that Quora thinks you might be interested in. Take a moment to let the page fully load, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. Once everything is visible, look towards the very top right corner of the screen. This is where your profile controls are located. In that top right area, you should see your profile picture or a small circle icon that represents your account. Sometimes it might display your initial instead of a photo, depending on how your profile is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This drop-down is your account menu. It usually contains options like your profile, settings, help, and other account-related items. Scroll your eyes all the way down to the very bottom of this menu. The option we're looking for is called Logout. Because it's the last option, you might need to glance carefully towards the end of the list to spot it. Once you see Logout, click directly on it. After you click, Quora will sign you out of your account and return you to the logged out view of the site, often showing a generic homepage or a sign-in screen. If the page doesn't seem to change right away, give it a second to refresh. You can also check that you've successfully logged out by looking again at the top right corner. You should no longer see your personalized profile icon or name there. Instead, you'll see options to log in or sign up, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly log out from Quora whenever you're done browsing, answering questions, or managing your content. This simple habit helps protect your privacy and keeps your account safer, especially on devices that other people might use after you.